Meaning of enforced.
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 Enforced. The term enforced refers to the act of compelling or ensuring compliance with a particular law, rule, or regulation. When something is enforced, it means that there are measures in place to ensure that it is followed. These measures could include penalties, fines, and legal consequences for non-compliance. The enforcement of a particular law or regulation can help to maintain order, safety, and fairness in society. Without proper enforcement, laws and regulations would simply be guidelines that people could choose to follow or disregard without consequence.